Hi, I'm Shreyansh Sharma, the previous WorldSkills competitor in Lyon, France. I represented India in chemical laboratory technology skills, and I'm back here at IndiaSkills Southern region competition. And it feels like a full circle moment coming back here, participating myself in 2024 and coming back here in 2026. I'm confident that we'll find the next skill champion for my skill. And IndiaSkills is not just a competition, it's a platform for excellence. I'd like to thank the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship for creating such a platform where the youth can come and participate, display their skills, and learn and represent India later. And I'd also like to thank the Life Sciences Sector Skill Council for their support for chemical laboratory technology skill, and especially the experts and the chief expert and all the supporting staff that we have here to make this all a possibility. And special mention to National Skill Development Corporation for implementing this vision.